Okay, students, in this video we're going to look at how you can chain multiple levels together by creating a pathway from one to the other, basically a teleporter that takes me to another level. So for starters, to do that, I'm going to need to have another level. So I'm going to go ahead and save my current level. I'm going to make a new level. Once again, choose basic. And this is going to do for our example purposes. I'm just going to leave it as this, but we're going to go ahead and do save current level as. I'm going to go ahead and call this one level 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back to level 1. So now I'm going to make a blueprint to handle this. I'm going to go ahead and make an empty blueprint class, actor. I'm going to call it BP level loader. And go inside. A lot of this stuff should once again be familiar. This time I'm not going to add a static mesh. I'm just going to add the collision. Typically with this, I'd have like a door or a special platform or somewhere that I go that is where the sort of level loader is going to be. So I don't want to attach it to a specific static mesh. I'm going to come in here. And once again, I'm going to create an event, begin overlap. And we are going to pull from our other actor and cast to our third person character. Now, even though colloquially we use the term level loading, load the next level, loading in Unreal speak means to load all the assets in the background. What we actually want to do, as I drag off here, is to open the level. Then we have two options here, open level by name and open level by object reference. By name means I have to perfectly type in every name and it's going to be specific. I'm going to use object reference here. And you can see here I have this level drop down and I can select all the different levels that are in my project and choose them. But again, just like with all of our previous blueprints, we want these to be usable in multiple situations where I can put a bunch of blueprints in and make little changes in them without having to make a new blueprint every time I want to do something special. So I'm going to right click on this level icon here and choose promote to variable. And that variable is level. I'm going to go ahead and once again open the eye to make it public and hit compile. This now already does everything we needed to do. So back here in level 1, I'm going to put my level loader here on this corner. And again, in real gameplay, we'd put it on like a final platform with a sign or a cool spinny star to collect or whatever. But you can see over here on the right, I now have this default set of variables with level being a type because I added it. And I can choose from the drop down. I can even actually go to my content browser and just grab level 2 and drag it over there. Now when I hit play, and if I walk over to that corner, it will load me immediately into level 2. Now, the bigger and more detailed your level are, it may take a little bit more time. It does also make my character be stuck in level 2, but hopefully for gameplay we have a level 2 to play. Notice when I hit escape, I'm still in level 1 because that's the level I was editing in the editor. You could even have a situation where you have different levels that go to different places. I could put another level over here and have it go to a level 3 that I've created or any of the other things that is in my project. Here I'll have it go to third person map and you can see I can instead go there. Finally, you can of course put level loaders back in those levels and have it let you transfer back to here. Keep in mind when you open a level, it starts it fresh, assuming that nothing has been played and that you have nothing. So you will always start back at the beginning wherever your player start is for that given level. With this, you can now have a level 2 or level 3 for your project as people finish and get on, so you can introduce new things, have new themes, etc.